Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Roblox account has a verified email. That's mandatory. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Security. You'll see two-step verification options. Choose whether you want codes sent to your email or to use an authenticator app on your phone. Do this now so you don't interrupt gameplay later. I'll assume you picked an authenticator app. If not, the email flow is similar and slightly simpler to follow. You install an authenticator app and open it. Then, back on Roblox, select the app option and scan the QR code or type the manual key. After scanning, enter the 6-digit code the app shows into Roblox to link the account. Make sure to copy or screenshot any backup recovery codes Roblox provides. Store them offline in a safe place. If you prefer email codes, request one and enter it, but the authenticator is more secure. You finish by logging out and signing back in to verify everything works. When prompted, enter a code from your authenticator or the email sent to you. Make sure to mark devices you trust so you won't need a code every time. If a code is rejected, check that your phone's time is set to automatic and that email codes didn't land in spam. If issues persist, use the saved recovery codes or contact Roblox support for account help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.